Are you looking to drive enterprise integration and automation at scale, accelerate go-to-market strategy, or improve HR efficiency? Leverage the combined power of Harbinger and Workato for tech stack integration and workflow automation. Use the best blend of next-gen tech services and enterprise iPaaS and automation for game-changing HR and business outcomes. Rapidly connect with 1,000+ enterprise apps. Use embedded iPaaS with 500,000+ ready-to-use recipes. Build integrations at 5 times the speed of typical integration platforms. Did you know? Recruitment automation in HR has increased by 316%. Now, transform HR with custom automation and integration at scale. Easily automate hiring, employee onboarding, offboarding, payroll, benefits, and more. We've built some remarkable success stories with Workato. Harbinger integrated a hiring platform with a DP to automate hiring and termination and synchronize real-time updates. The seamless integration using Workato connectors helped with 50% reduction in development time, 99 to 100% efficient tracking of event failures, a low-code, no-code approach, an enhanced customer experience. We also enabled easy employee data sync for a blockchain data platform using a modern Workato solution. This resulted in bulk transfer of employee records, real-time sync of new hire employee data, easy resolving of employee management issues, streamlined error and exception handling. With Harbinger and Workato, you can effortlessly implement HR digital transformation through integration with different apps like SAP, UKG, Adobe, Workday, Oracle, Checker, Bamboo HR, and more. If you're looking to fast-track HR digital transformation, develop extraordinary people experiences, or create significant business value through automation and integration, reach out to us at contact@harbingergroup.com.